In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable phone number on your WIX website. This feature can be incredibly useful for website visitors browsing from a mobile device, making it easy for them to reach out with just a tap. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to make this happen seamlessly. First up, you'll want to head over to the WIX website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, your next step is to locate and click on the Add Elements button. This tool is crucial as it allows you to bring various features and functionalities to your site. After clicking Add Elements, you'll see a range of options. Among these, find and select Text. It's time to add some text, and in this case, it's going to be your phone number, which we will make clickable. Within the text options, you'll see something called Themed Text. Go ahead and click on that. Themed text styles let you ensure your text aligns with the overall design and aesthetic of your site. Choose a themed text option that complements your website's look. This thoughtful choice can enhance the cohesive feel of your page. Now that you've chosen your themed text, click on the text box that's been added to your page. When the text tool is open, edit the text and enter your company's phone number. This is an important step, so be sure the number is correct and formatted in a way that's clear and easy to read. With your phone number entered, you're halfway there. Look for the link option while having the text box selected and click on it. This will allow you to transform your static text into a dynamic, clickable link. In the link options, search for and click on Phone Number. This action tells WIX what kind of link you're setting up, which in this case will enable users to dial your number with a simple tap. A field will appear where you will need to input your phone number once again. Make sure the number is correctly entered, as this is what will dial out when clicked. It's a good practice to double-check this detail for accuracy. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to click Done. This confirms all your choices and adjusts the settings accordingly. Don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button to ensure that all your changes and improvements to the site are preserved. Saving your work regularly is an excellent practice to avoid losing any progress if something unexpected happens. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create a clickable phone number on your WIX website, making it even easier for customers to connect with you directly from their devices. Congratulations and happy editing!